We are glad to welcome you in the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll show how you can create an account in the IPC360 app. That is the app for this MIBAO D100 IP camera. So without further ado, let's start. The process will be the same both on an iOS and Android devices, so it doesn't make a lot of difference for me to use either, so I'll go with iPhone in this scenario. So we have the separate video on how to get the app on both iPhone and Android phones, so if you do not have the app, check that video out. But as far as the sign up goes, launch the app. Here below the sign in button on both devices you'll find the sign up option, so tap on it. Here select your region or country, then input the email address that you plan to use for your IPC360 account. Once the email address is inputted here, tap at the obtain button to get the verification code. Then open your mail inbox, copy this verification code, or remember it, it's up to you. Then paste or input it into this enter verification code field. Then tap next button, confirm that you agree to use the, agree with software use agreement and privacy policy of this app. You can read it, or I guess you should read it before accepting those terms, but we'll not do that today. Here, you'll need to set up or create your account password, so let me quickly do that off camera. And now, once the password is created, tap OK, and your account is now up and live. And well, you can start using it. Here it is. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.